What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to show you how, and guys, today I'll be showing you how to recover your lost or hacked Gmail account in 2019. Alright, so this is what you must do. You need to go either on your phone or either on a laptop, and you can type in Reddit on the search bar and press enter, and then you want to go to Reddit, the front page of the internet. So click on that. And then once it loads up, what you need to do is click sign up, because you need to create a new account unless you already have an account with Reddit. But if you don't, this is what you need to do. And then you want to click add a new tab, because what you want to do is make a temporary email, so that way you can go ahead and insert that email into the Reddit. So you want to create an actual email. So what I would do is type in temp mail, and I will have this down in the description below just in case you can't find it when you actually search it up. And you can easily just copy this right here. Whatever email they give you, you can just easily copy that. You can bring it right back over to Reddit and just wait a minute, and you can insert it in there and click next. And then you can create your username and your password. So let's create a random username and a random password. Or we could use the username suggestions over here in the right. So I can click Flaky Security 7. And for the password, I can pick something like, let's say, Mo123. But make sure you have when you make your password, make sure you make it more secure, just in case, so it can't be hacked or anything. And just click you're not a robot, because of course you're not a robot. And then once that check mark comes up, all you have to do is click next, and you can just click sign up. Just get this out the way. Alright, so it says your account has been created, and now I'm going to show you the next step and what you need to do. Go ahead and click X out of this. Alright, so now what you need to do next is you need to type in Gmail at the top of the search Reddit. So type in Gmail. Alright, and just wait till it loads up. Alright, now you should see something that says r/Gmail with 1.8k subscribers on there. By the time you're watching this video, it may have more than 1.8k, so it's still going to be the same one. And you just want to click the r/Gmail right here, click on it, click got it right here. And now what you can do, hold on, let's scroll up. What you can do now is you can create a post in the r/Gmail on Reddit, and they will reply back to you. It will be like actual experts. They will walk you through the steps in order for you to get your Gmail account back. So let's say, for instance, you want to create a post. Let's say you didn't know what to say, but I'm going to tell you what to say. So your title would be, just put Gmail account recovery help. Help. Okay. So what you want to say is something like, in the words of help, please. It's just going to use some exaggeration a little bit. Help, please. I forgot the password to my Gmail account, and I need urgent help to get it back, period. So let's say, for instance, that you didn't just forget it. Let's say, for instance, that you actually got hacked. So what you would do is just replace those words with I just got hacked or something like that, and you say I need urgent help to get it back. You know what I'm saying? You feel my drift? You feel my drift? So yeah, that's basically what you do. And then can you just put something in, please? Can you get back with me as soon as possible? Or you could put, can anyone get back with me as soon as possible? Can anyone get back with me as soon as possible? Because there's multiple experts on Reddit, so any expert can help you out. So I'm just telling you. So this is a great website for you to use in order to regain access to different accounts and stuff like that. And then what you could do next, hold on, and then you can click post. just like that, and let it load just like that. But if you actually try to insert a picture when you first create an account, it's going to tell you to you have to wait about 30 minutes to an hour until they actually review it, because you're a new user and they think you're spamming, so you just have to wait. But if you just post a regular text in the description, someone will get back to you as soon as possible. Just trust me on this one. That's how you recover your Gmail account in 2019. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on that post notification bell to get notified for every video on my channel. And yeah, check out my other playlists that I have. I have many other playlists, such as PSN recovery tutorials, how to fix your PS4 controllers, and even how to talk like Mickey Mouse, how to talk like Patrick. So yeah, I have all that in the playlist. You can go down in the description down below and you'll see it all. But that's pretty much it, and we'll be back to show you how.
They told me it was never gonna end. I'm at the top, never descend. Calling my name is going. Know that my freestyles be flowing. Look at the girl, she be frontin'. Won't come back till I throw some hundreds. Throw the racks and I tell her it's